Hi. In Lexzur, you can seamlessly utilize Adobe Sign for digital signatures on contracts. Users need a separate Adobe account and must complete the integration with Adobe to enable its use. Let's walk through an example. Open a contract and navigate to the Signature Center, where you can select the desired workflow. For instance, if we choose Adobe Sign, click Get Started and add signers. You can share the document with various types of signers, including users from the legal or contract team in Lexzur, collaborators who sign from the client portal, and persons, external individuals added to your database. You can also include user groups and other types as needed. Once you've chosen the type, specify the signee's name and set the signature order. A customizable message accompanies the signing request, which you can edit as necessary. Choose the contract document to share. If the approval process isn't completed yet, you can save this as a draft and proceed once approved. The files available for sharing on the Add Signee page are those marked as to be signed from the Attachments tab, so ensure they're appropriately marked. Once the approval process is finished, proceed with the signature process. Click Send, which will prompt you to log in using your Adobe Sign account. The contract will then open in Adobe Sign, allowing you to set and predefine signature locations, initials, and orders before sending the request. Notifications to sign will be sent to signers in the specified order chosen from the Signature Center. As a signee, upon receiving the notification, you can click to sign with Adobe, which redirects you to Adobe directly. From there, you can review the message and requirements for signing, just as you would normally using Adobe. Once completed, it will be marked as signed in the system, and you can retrieve the signed documents from the attachments. The same process applies to other signers. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.